Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your trusted spot for the smartest gadgets making everyday life easier. Today we're diving into a game-changing kitchen essential for small spaces, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher with a built-in 6L water tank. If you're living in an apartment, dorm room, RV, or even working from a compact office space, washing dishes can feel like a constant battle. But this mini dishwasher? It's a quiet revolution in convenience. First, the most important part, no hookup required. The 6-liter built-in water tank means you can use it anywhere, no plumbing, no fuss. Just fill the tank, place the hose for drainage, and you're ready to go. Despite its compact size, this dishwasher has a surprisingly spacious interior. The rack system has been thoughtfully redesigned to accommodate up to 30+ items, including 10.5-inch plates, cups, cutlery, and even baby bottles. It's like a full-sized dishwasher that fits right on your countertop. You get 7 wash programs: normal, rapid, hygiene, glass, fruit, eco, and even a baby care cycle. These are tailored for everything from your dirtiest pots to your most delicate glassware. And yes, it includes UV sterilization and auto door open technology for faster, more hygienic drying. What makes this one stand out is the UV Hygiene feature. After the wash cycle, it activates a UV light to help eliminate up to 99.99% of bacteria, making it perfect for families with young kids or anyone prioritizing cleanliness. The auto door open function pops the door open slightly after each cycle to let steam escape and speed up the drying process naturally. It's a premium feature we usually only see in high-end dishwashers. Control is simple. The touch panel on the front is intuitive and minimal, and the digital timer gives you real-time updates on wash progress. It's whisper quiet too, so no worries about background noise during your calls or content creation. And in terms of power efficiency? It's incredibly water conscious. It uses just 6 liters per cycle, compared to hand washing. That's a massive water savings. Plus, it's energy efficient, using just a fraction of a standard dishwasher's power. Whether you're living the minimalist lifestyle, traveling in your RV, or just sick of hand-washing dishes, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is the compact kitchen miracle you've been waiting for. Hit the link below to check it out on Amazon, and if you're loving these space-saving gadget picks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more content here on Gadgetverse.